Hey YouTube, so the goal of this video is to unbox the Burley tail wagon. It's actually a bicycle dog trailer and I'm gonna try to install it on one of the electric scooters that I bought for my wife and I to scoot around the neighborhood. So let's just get started. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna fit it. I think I'm gonna make a bracket and kind of drill a bracket into the back here, but we'll see. Let's first open this thing. That locks in place. That's a great design. Did y'all see that? Wow. So this must go down. Alright, to install the wheel is really easy. So basically when you twist this down, this little thingy right here will, right now it's in a straight line, right? And then when you twist it down, it kind of bulges out to lock the wheel in place. There's no screw or any kind of bolt that you tighten the wheel behind with. It's one of these interesting designs. I don't even know what you would call this. You can look closely. See, when it's loose, it becomes straight. And then when you push down, it kind of cockeyes itself to lock it in place. But yeah, you just stick it in this hole and you lock it in place. Just like that. I guess that's how bike wheels are. And then you put this little wheel guard on. So you stick the nut in the bottom. Go. Just like that. And you tighten it. Let's apply the Allen key. Okay, that's it. It's pretty much good to go. If you flip it around. Just like that. So I think the trick now is to figure out okay guys, I almost kid you not, it's like this Burley tail wagon was made for the Emove Cruiser scooter. So it looks like I could just attach it to here. And it's perfect. I mean, it's phenomenal. So I'm gonna get a bolt and unbolt this nut that holds the wheel in place. And attach it. Just like that. Okay. So I'm gonna have to use a Dremel and Dremel this out just a tad bit. Ooh, it's hot. Hey guys, I don't know how my camera cut off, but basically after I use a step bit to drill the hole out a little bit larger on the bracket, you just take this, I think there was an earlier clip of me taking this bolt off. Take it off, fit the step bit over there, fit the bracket on, and put the wheel nut back over it, tighten it down a little bit. Not too tight though, it doesn't have to be too tight. And then it's very simple, you just connect the trailer and use a locking pin to attach it. Like that, and you're good to go. So now it's time for a test run. See, like the trailer follows pretty well behind. I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. Not bad, right? Wow. So time to get the dog in there. Go on. Go on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Go on. 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 Good girl. Stay. Sit. Oh. But she has to get used to this. Ellie, I will open the top once you get used to this. She does not like that. Can I open this? So this is me testing the Burley tail wagon on the Boro Motors Emove scooter. It's probably hard to see. It's actually really hard to ride and hold a GoPro at the same time. But you can see Eloise in the back. She's kind of tall for the thing. I'm gonna try to train her where I can leave the top open. She can stick her head out. But right now she's kind of like trying to run out of it. So I don't do that really much. So you'll probably see her. small for her.